Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the solutions of English graded assignment 3 term 1. So let's begin. Question number 1. We have to tell in this question that whether the given statement is true or false. So the statement says that, let's assume there is a disyllabic word and it has two syllables, and the meaning of these separate syllables determine the meaning of the whole word. So we have to tell whether this is a wrong statement or this is the correct statement. So for this, let's assume a disyllabic word, display. It has two syllables, this and play. This don't have a meaning, and play it has meaning to play. Okay, but if we combine the meaning of these two words, it do not determine the meaning of the word display. So this is a wrong statement. Hence the answer of the statement is false. So the answer is option B, false. Next question. In this, the question says that the vowel sound in a syllable plays a critical role in the syllabification of a word. Again, we have to tell whether this is a true statement or it is a false statement. So since we know vowel sound plays an important role in syllabification of a word, hence this is a true statement. Next question. It is the question asks the upper limit of the number of syllables in a word. So there is no such upper limit for the number of syllables in a word. A word can have n number of syllables. It can have 7 syllables. It can have 3, even 2 syllables. Hence the answer is C, no limit. Next. In this, we have to tell whether machine is a monosyllabic word, polysyllabic or disyllabic. Okay, so for this we can use a method. We can pronounce the word and put our hand below our chin. So the number of times our chin touches our hand, that number of taps will tell us the number of syllables in this word machine. So let's pronounce that word. This word machine. Machine. Our chin touches our hand 2 times. Therefore, it is a disyllabic word. Also, we can the syllable in the 2 syllables in this word is ma, and the second syllable is sheen, machine. These are the 2 syllables in this word. Again, we have to tell the number of syllables in the word marketing. So let's use the technique we have used in the previous question and pronounce the word marketing. Our chin is touching our hand 3 times. Therefore, the number of syllables is 3. Question number 6. We have to tell that between these 2 options, in which option the stress in the word product is correctly marked. So if we pronounce the word product, then the stress is given on the first 3 letters pro. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Question number 7. In this, we have to tell that which among these words, these 3 words, they have an aspirated stop. So an aspirated stop is present in those words which has a voiceless ending. So if we pronounce the word spreadsheets, there is a sound of s in the ending, spreadsheets. So therefore this is not a voiceless ending. In the word company, there is no pronunciation of the word Y. And in the word improve also, there is no pronunciation of the word E. Hence these 2 are the correct options. Therefore the answer is option number D, both B and C. Question number 8. In this, we have to tell the appropriate stress usage of the word produce in the given sentence. So if we read the sentence, the output of dairy produce has suffered because of large herds of cattle being affected by a deadly flu. The dairy farm owners will have to take control of the situation to produce the adequate quantity needed for profit generation by the end of April. So, produce is used once here and then here. We have to tell the appropriate stress usage in both of these sentences in the word produce. Okay, so in the first sentence, dairy produce, the stress is given on the first three letters pro, and in the second one, we'll have to take control of the situation to produce, the stress is given on the last four words, last four letters of this word, DUCE, duce. Therefore the correct option is option number B. Question number 9. The plural markers for the words stakeholders, stockhouse and networks end in. We have to tell the markers, plural markers. So if you pronounce the word stockouts, sir voice is coming, and networks also sir voice is coming, and in stakeholders the voice is coming in the ending. Therefore the correct option is C. Question number 10. This is the last question. In this again we have to tell the correct stress pattern in the underlined words. So let's read the sentence. The physician matlab there is a stress in the middle on SI and advise the nursing assistant, there is a stress given on the word nursing, to administer a daily dose of medicine to the child. He told her that a consultation, the stress is given on TA with the pediatric. In this pediatric, AT sound is given the stress on the word AT. Specialist was advisable. In this, the stress is given on AD, advisable. Therefore, the correct option will be option number C. That's it. Thank you for watching.